In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace how to publish a site in 3 easy steps. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from a fresh trial to a live website that anyone can visit with zero guesswork. We'll start by signing up for Squarespace. Head to the home page and begin a free trial, then choose a template that fits your brand or project. Don't overthink it. You can customize everything later. Create your account, name your site, and use the demo content to explore how pages and sections are arranged. Add the essentials like a home, about, and contact page so your structure is clear. In the editor, try the Site Styles panel to set your fonts and colors globally, and add a logo or site icon if you have one. Toggle to the mobile preview to make sure buttons, images, and headings look great on a phone. Save frequently. A clean draft here makes publishing smooth and helps you catch spacing issues before they're public. Next, upgrade to a paid service. Publishing requires an active plan. From your dashboard, click Upgrade or go to Billing. Choose the plan that matches your needs, whether you're building a simple brochure site or need features like forms, analytics, or commerce. You can pay monthly or annually. Annual billing usually saves money and may include a promotional custom domain for the first year. Review the plan details, confirm your billing info and currency, and complete checkout. Once your subscription is active, the controls to make the site public will appear, and features like custom domain connection and SSL will be available. Finally, make your website live. Open your site settings and go to the Site Availability or Publish area. Switch your site from private to public. If you are still on a trial, you'll be prompted to upgrade first. Once that's done, the Publish toggle will be enabled. Choose the web address people will use. You can keep the built-in Squarespace domain while you're finalizing content or assign your own custom domain. If your domain is managed elsewhere, update the DNS records to point to Squarespace. Changes can take a bit to propagate, so give it time. Turn on SSL so your site loads securely over HTTPS. Before you confirm, open a private browser window and click through every page. Test your navigation and any forms, check titles and descriptions, and make sure images look sharp on desktop and mobile. When everything looks right, confirm public, and your site is live. That's it. Sign up, upgrade, and publish. You can continue editing anytime, and your updates will appear on the live site as soon as you save.